What's up guys, welcome to Chef Sebastian's kitchen. Today we're going to be cooking some delicious completos, Chilean completos, and let's get started. So right now we got the sauerkraut with the hot dog in, and then the bread. So this is the sauerkraut, and then this is the palta with a little bit of salt in it. And now I'm just making them to eat together. So we're gonna grab a little bit, put it on top just like that. Which I'm gonna spread it out. Just another little bit more. So this is the completo chileno. Which I'm gonna add more. I just have to open a little bit more. There we go. Then we're gonna put some more lemon here, and then some here. There we go. More lemon. I only put a little bit for some flavor, not much. Okay, now we're done with that. So voila. Oh wait, no, sour cream. We got some sour cream here. This sour cream, we got the Mexican type, so we're gonna try it. Oh yeah, that looks good. Put it all right up there. And one more. Right there. I don't put too much on mine. So I think this should be good. Yeah, now since I'm done, I'm gonna grab my own fork and then just put them all together like this. Cause I gotta make sure inside the bread. There we go. And guys, this is how you guys make some delicious completos within only a few minutes. I'm gonna make another video later on with more ingredients and a different type of completo. But this one is like the simple one, the simple way. And let's go give it a try. Okay, so now we got the hot dogs here. Now it's ready to try it. So this is the right way to eat it. You gotta grab it. A little messy, but good. It's not bad. See, we got the sauerkraut, we got the palta, the hot dog. Okay, we got the sour cream too. It's a good combination. Just because we don't have sour cream, so the only sour cream I was able to find was the Mexican one, and it's like a good mix. So I think the overall presentation is pretty nice. Finish it all, very delicious. So if you all are wanting to make some simple and easy to go completos, Chilean completos, I recommend you all to make this. It's very simple, very easy to make. All you have to do is just get the hot dog, the buns. Yeah, it's not like Chile, because Chile, theirs is much bigger. but this is just like the American version of the completo. because I do live in the United States, so it's gonna be easier to buy the hot dog, the what do you call it? The palta, like avocado. You smash it up and then you just put a little bit of salt. The buns, the hot dog, the palta, a little bit of salt to put on top of it, and the sour cream, and then the repollo, what they call it in Spanish, but it's the sauerkraut. And with those, you'll be done. But there's different types of completos, different type of names. So if you just want the regular one, this is one I told you, the one I showed you guys. But there's other types. But thank you guys for watching this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.